Hi guys, I am Sumit, a CSC student from Native Iyengar. Today in this video, we are going to see how to turn your Copilot key into your one-tap ChatGPT button. By the end of this video, your Copilot key will be working as your ChatGPT button. Let's quickly see how will it be possible. For that, you need to go to Microsoft Store and get the ChatGPT app for your PC. Come to search box, type for ChatGPT, and you will get the app of ChatGPT on the top right here. Click on that. Click on the install button. It will start getting installed. Before setting your Copilot key, if you press the Copilot key right now, it will open your Microsoft Copilot. As you can see on the screen, our ChatGPT app for our PC has been downloaded. Now we need to come to our PC setting. On this PC setting, when we'll go to search box and we'll search for Copilot hardware choice. In this section, you will get one section called Customize your Copilot. Here, on the right hand side, there is the option of Custom. Select here. On the top, you can see the option of ChatGPT. Select the ChatGPT. Now your Copilot key has been turned as a ChatGPT button. Now, if you try to press your Copilot key, it will open ChatGPT directly, and you can use it anywhere on your PC, any task, any folder, any app. You can use it quickly. That's all for today. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.